welcome to Litochoro.
My love story was ended tragically. The mighty Olympus cats here are everywhere. This was the home of the 12 Olympian gods.
Hi and welcome to Litochoro. This is the village at the base of Mount Olympus where the Greek gods used to hang around. So let's discover this city together and then we'll treat with a really nice hike in the mountains. Cobblestone alleys, traditional Greek houses, cozy cafes make out of this town the perfect blend between history and hospitality. Apart from breathtaking views, this mountain town also has a maritime museum and a military camp. They keep themselves pretty safe over here, I would say.
The town itself has about 7,000 residents, but it feels much more intimate. Fun fact, Litochoro's name literally means city of stone. And it does have that rugged mountain vibe. But it's also just a few minutes away from the sea, so you get the best of both worlds. Beaches on one side and the mighty Olympus on the other. Not bad, right? As soon as I arrived, I noticed how cozy and picturesque Litochoro is. Narrow streets, red-tiled rooftops, and little cafes where you can enjoy a nice drink with a view. And yes, I also made a few furry friends. The cats here are everywhere. But enough with the cute cats for now. Let's go grab something to eat and go up the mountain.
And here we have some appetizers. I assume this is like smashed olives and maybe some garlic sauce. I don't know, let's give it a try. This is actually very good. And here we have another specialty. We have some smashed potatoes with salad and some sort of chicken breast that is made with mountain flowers and feta and cheddar cheese, I believe. The chicken is super tender and this cheddar sauce is just incredible.
After such a savory meal, I decided to waste no more time and go up the mountain. After all, I really need to burn some calories. And oh my goodness, you wouldn't believe that, but as I started my hike, this cutie greeted me at the base of Mount Olympus. It was like one of the most gorgeous cats I've ever seen, and I truly believe it belonged to the gods. Guess who made a new friend here?
Who are you, little kitty? Do you belong to the Greek gods? Are you the cat of Zeus? Or I assume you are the cat of Dionysius, as he was so.
However, I can say that our love ended tragically despite all the affection and all the cuteness that she has shared with me. My love story with this beautiful Greek cat has ended tragically. And with a broken heart, I had to continue my journey in search of the Greek gods. The mountain is absolutely legendary. According to Greek mythology, this was the home of the 12 Olympian gods. Olympus is also the highest mountain in Greece, with its tallest peak, Mythical, reaching almost 3,000 meters, which is nearly 10,000 feet. Wow! But don't worry, I stayed way below that. I've never been so tired like ever in my life. The trail is gorgeous, pine forest, streams tickling down the slopes and crisp mountain air that makes you feel like you could hike forever. I mean, look at this view, isn't it incredible? That was my little adventure, a stroll through Litochoro, a playful hike up the Mountain of Gods, and a whole lot of cat encounters along the way.
And this brings the end to today's journey to the Mountain Olympus. I hope you enjoyed it, and now I am literally starving for something sweet, so let's go get a treat together.